Yes, people, you are here because you want to know something about Linktree or Bio Site, and in this short comparison, you gonna know all. We're gonna cover the customization, we're gonna cover purpose, user base, we're gonna cover some features, we're gonna cover the pricing, and that all in 3 or 4 minutes. So let's go. Well, creating a centralized landing page for various online links, making it easier for their audience to access and navigate our content. However, there are several differences between the two platforms. Let's go. Purpose. Linktree is primarily designed for individuals and businesses looking to consolidate their social media links, website, and contact information into a single page. It's widely used by influencers, content creators, and small businesses to provide a user-friendly way for their followers to explore their online presence. Bio Site, on the other hand, is more focused on scientific and academic community. It's a platform where researchers and scientists can create digital bio sketches, curating their academic and professional information in one place. Well, second one is customization. And Linktree offers a range of customization options, allowing users to personalize the appearance of their link page. Users can choose from various themes, colors, and fonts to match their brand or style. BioSite offers customization, but it's more academic and research oriented. You can include information such as publications, grants, awards, and applications, making it a powerful tool to researchers to showcase their work. Well, user base. Linktree is popular among social media influencers, content creators, artists, and businesses. It's a widely used on platforms like Instagram, Twitter to provide a concise way to access various links. BioSite, on the other hand, is tailored to academic and scientific community. It's commonly used by researchers, professors, and scholars who want to present their academic achievements and contributions in a structured manner. Well, let's go to pricing. Linktree offers a free plan with basic features and a pro plan with more customization options and analytics for a monthly fee. BioSite has a free plan, but it offers comprehensive features for a paid subscription catering to the specific needs of researchers and academics. Well, so we have a few seconds, and in conclusion, the choice between Linktree and BioSites depends on your specific needs and target audience. Linktree is ideal for those who create a central hub for their online presence, especially in the context of social media and businesses. On the other hand, BioSite is tailored for the academic and research community, offering more extensive tools for showcasing scholarly achievements and contributions. So I hope we make that clear, the difference between Linktree and BioSite. Well, if you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more comparisons. See you in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.